what is your preferred pepper soup texture? Thick or watery? Let us know in the comment section. Welcome back to Life and Spice with Give. Today we're preparing goat meat pepper soup with unripe plantain, and these are the ingredients we'll be using. Right here is my roughly blended fresh pepper and onions. And I'll be giving that a good stir so that the ingredients can infuse into the meat. And I'm adding just 1 cube of seasoning. Next, I'll set my pot on the fire. So next, I'll put my onions, garlic, shombo, and fresh pepper into the blender. I'll add enough water, and I'll also add my pepper soup spice, okay? I'll add enough water and I'll blend it. So back to my pot of meat. As you can see, it is boiling nicely. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. You should allow the meat to cook properly for the ingredients to be properly infused into the meat before adding your pepper mix. You should also check to see if your meat is soft. So at this point, I'm adding more water to my pot. So next, I'll be adding my unripe plantain, some crayfish. This is actually optional. I know some people don't like crayfish in their pepper soup, but if you don't mind, fine. But if you do, you can skip that part, okay? I'm adding my all-purpose spice and more of my pepper soup spice. And there you go. Stirring everything up nicely and then allow to cook. So at this point, I'm checking to see if my plantain is soft, and as you can also see, it is actually soft. And you can see the texture of that pepper soup. It's actually thick. It's not watery. Also checking to see if my meat is soft, and yes, it is. And so at this point, I'll be introducing the last ingredient, which is my curry leaf. This curry leaf is not only going to improve the look of this pepper soup, as you can see, it is also going to give your pepper soup that yummy aroma, okay? And our pepper soup is ready. Easy peasy, I dare say. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something, and I also hope you'll be trying this recipe out. Let me know in the comment section if you actually try this recipe out. So I hope you learned something today. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do well to give us a thumbs up. You can also share your thoughts with us in the comment section, okay? If you're new here, please help our ministry. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our yummy recipes, okay? Thank you. Just go hit that subscribe button now. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. See you in our next delicious episode of Life and Spice with Gift. Ta-da!